dear children. Today we start class 2 math chapter 6 shapes and patterns. Shapes means what? Shapes means solid shapes. You know that? Okay. In your classroom, home, at another place. Okay. Like a toys, like ball. That one is which shape? Sphere. Okay. In your ruler or candle, that one is which shape? Cylinder. Yes or no? In your Ludo dice, yes or no, your cube also, that one is your which shape? Cube. Okay. And cone. Cone means what? Ice cream. You know that? You ate that also? Yes or no? So that one is your cone shape. Okay. And the matchbox. Matchbox means what? Your fire. So matchbox is which shape? Cubed. Okay. So this one is your solid shape. This all is your what? Solid shapes. Solid shape means what word? Sphere, cylinder, cube, cone, cuboid. So how many solid shapes is there? Sphere, cylinder, cube, cone, cuboid. Okay. Next, come to the next point. Faces, edge, and corner. So sphere head, how many faces? You look at ball. Look at a ball or your glove. Okay, that one is your how many round is there? So ball is see. So this one is your one face. So face means what? One. Sphere have how many faces? One. So edge. Any line segment is there? This one is your line segment. Yes or no? So any circle have do not have edge. So edge is 0. Okay. Corner means what? Corner means two line segment meet. That one is your what? Corner. See, look at your book. Any side of a solid is called face. Any side of a solid shape. See, this one is your solid shape. Okay. And side. Side is what? Your face. Okay. That one is your face. So sphere has one face. Okay. Edge means what? Two faces meet to make an edge. Two faces means what? See, two faces means what? 1, 2. This one is your face. Yes or no? So this one is your edge. Okay. So sphere have a edge? No. So sphere edge is 0. Okay. Corner is also 0. Next to the another shape, cylinder. Like a candle, like a ruler. Okay. So cylinder have how many faces? See. 1, 2, 3. So cylinder have how many faces? 3. Okay. So edge means what? I already told what? Two faces meet. So one faces, two faces meet. So this one is your edge. This one is your what? Edge. So how many edges? Cylinder have how many edges? 2. Which one? 1, 2. This is your what? Edge. Okay. Corner means what? Corner means what? A corner is a point where some edges meet. See, only two edges there. Edge is there. So corner is not making. So corner is 0. Cylinder has how many corner? 0. Okay. Next point is your what? Cube. Like a Ludo dice, like a cube. Okay. So Ludo dice how many faces? See. Like a duster. This one is your rectangle. This is your cuboid. But take an example. This is your like a cube. Okay. See. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So cube have how many faces? 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So Ludo cube have how many faces? 6. Okay. Next is your what? Edge. Edge means what? Line segment or straight line. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. So how many edges cube have? 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So how many corners? Cube have 8 corners. See, look at your book. No, look at the blackboard. Okay. See, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So cube have how many corners? 8. Okay. Next is your what? Cone. Like your ice cream. Okay. Like your birthday cake. Yes or no? That is your cone shape. So cone shape is how many surface? See, this cone is what? This is your one face. This is your one face. So cone have how many faces? 2. Okay. This one and this one. Okay. Cone have how many faces? 2. Cone have how many faces? 2. Next your edge. Edge means what? See, this one is a round shape. Yes or no? In your blackboard, that is flat surface. Look like. But real, that is cone shape. Yes or no? This is your ice cream. This is your cone. So how many edges? This is your edge. This is your edge. In cone, this is your edge. So how many edges? Only one. Okay? Only one edges cone here. Okay? Next your corner. Corner means what? Corner means what? This one is your ice cream. So this is your corner. This is your corner. See, this is your corner. Okay? Next one is your what? Cuboid. Next one is your what? Cuboid. Cuboid, same that cube. Okay? Cube may make squares, but rectangle make cube. Okay? This is your cuboid, yes or no? Like rectangle. Two sides are equal. Two opposite sides are equal. Yes or no? See, these two are equal. These two are equal. So make cuboid. See, one rectangle, two rectangle. Okay? Make cuboid. Okay? Cube or cuboid. Understood? What is difference between? Okay? So cuboid is what? How many faces? Same. Ludo cube has how many faces? 6. Same. Cuboid has 6 faces. Like a duster. See, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So duster have the duster who is a cuboid. So duster is your how many faces? 6. Cuboid has how many faces? 6. Next we come to the point edge. Edge means what? Line segment. See, this one is your edge. So how many edge cuboid have? See, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. So how many edges cuboid have? 12. Okay. Next come to the point corner. Corner means what? See, this one is your corner. Corner means what? A corner is a point where some edges meet. Okay. So this one is your corner. So how many? 8. Okay. So solution means what you know? Okay. Next come to the point. What? Patterns. Next point is your what? Pattern. Pattern means what? A pattern is made when shapes and numbers are repeated or put in a sequence. Means what? Shape. Means this one is your shape. Yes or no? So this one is your also shape. This one is your also shape. Okay. So what is the definition? Definition says a pattern is made when shapes and numbers. Numbers means what? 1, 2, 1, 2. So this one is your pattern. 1, next 2, next again repeat 1, next 2. Okay, this one is your pattern. Pattern is what? A pattern sari, like your tiles pattern. In your wall, tiles pattern is there? Yes or no? Or in sequence. See, look at your book. See, tiles pattern, windows pattern, and flowers pattern, vegetable patterns. In your basic vegetable patterns is there? Yes or no? Flowers pattern in your sari, flower pattern is there. Tiles pattern in your wall, tiles pattern is there. Yes or no? So windows pattern in your sari, in your bedsheet. Okay. So same. If your question is like the next pattern, see, one circle, two circle is there. Next, one triangle is there. Next again, one circle is there. Next, blank, one triangle, two circles. Next triangle. So what is your answer say? See, two circle, next triangle, next two circle, next triangle. Yes or no? So draw one circle. Understood? This is your pattern. Okay? Pattern is what? A pattern is made when shapes and numbers are repeated, and shapes and patterns are repeated. Okay? This is a pattern. Okay? Next, another pattern is a number pattern. This is your what? Pattern means what? Tiles pattern, flowers pattern. Next topic is what? Number pattern. Number pattern. Sometimes sets of numbers have something common in them. They follow a pattern. See, look at your blackboard. 8. Okay. Next I write 11. Okay. Next we write 14. Next 17. Next 9. How we write? You know that 8. Next 9. But I wrote 11. Why? So, see. 8. Next 9. Next 10. So 2 digit left. Next 11. Same thing. Again 11, 12, 13. Okay. 14. Next 15, 16, 17. Next 18, 19, 20. This is your number pattern. See how? Again take another example. See. 5, 9, 13, 17 and this. So what is your answer? Can you say? See, 5, next 6. So but I wrote 9. Why? See, 5, next 6, next 7. 2 digits back. So 3 digits. Okay, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Next again 3 digits back. Okay, 8, 9, and 9 next 10, 11, 12. Okay, 3 digits. 3 numbers. Okay. Next 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. Next 13 next 14, 15, 16. Next 17. Same 17. Count 3. So 17, 18, 19, 20. 20 next 21. So this one is your answer. 21 is your answer. Okay. This is your number pattern. If your question is again 8, 11, 14, 17, 20, 23, 26. So next, what is your answer? So now say 8 next, 9, next 10, next 11. 11 is there. So 2 numbers back. 2 numbers count. Okay. 11 next, 2 number count. 11 next, 12, 13, next 14. So 14 next, 15, 16. Next 17. Okay. 17 next, 18, 19. 2 numbers count. So 20 can. 20 next, 21, 22, 23. Okay. 24, 25, 26. Next 2 count. 26 next, 27,